Hi everyone. Let us discuss Cloud Computing Unit 1. Topic 4. Cloud Architecture Layers. Components, Front-end, Back-end, Middleware. 2 mark questions. Define cloud architecture. Name the main layers of cloud architecture. What is the role of the front-end in cloud architecture? What is the role of the back-end in cloud architecture? Define middleware in cloud computing. 5 mark questions. Explain the layers of cloud architecture with examples. Describe the components of cloud architecture. Discuss the role of the front-end in cloud services. Explain the back-end structure and its importance in cloud computing. Illustrate the function of middleware in cloud architecture with examples. Introduction. Cloud architecture refers to the overall design and structure of a cloud computing system. It defines how various components work together to deliver scalable, flexible, and on-demand services over the internet. The architecture ensures that cloud resources such as servers, storage, and applications are efficiently managed and made accessible to users anytime, anywhere. It is composed of several key layers and components that function in coordination. Front-end. This is the user interface that allows clients to access and interact with cloud services. It can be a web browser, mobile app, or any other client device. Back-end. This layer includes the core components such as servers, databases, virtual machines, and data storage systems that power and manage cloud operations. Middleware. It acts as a bridge between the front end and back end, managing communication, integration, and security among the different cloud components. Together, these layers form the foundation of a reliable and efficient cloud computing environment. Layers of cloud architecture. Cloud architecture is typically divided into 3 main layers, each serving a distinct function in delivering cloud services. The front-end layer, back-end layer, and middleware layer. Front-end layer. The front-end layer is the user-facing part of the cloud system. It includes all the components that allow users to access and interact with cloud services. Common components of this layer include web browsers, mobile applications, and thin clients. The main function of the front-end is to provide a user interface that connects users to cloud resources. Example, logging into Gmail or uploading files to Google Drive represents interaction with the cloud's front end. Analogy, the front end can be compared to the front desk of a hotel, where guests communicate their needs and interact directly with staff, without seeing the work happening behind the scenes. Back-end layer. The back-end layer is the core of the cloud computing infrastructure. It consists of powerful systems and technologies that manage and deliver services requested from the front end. Its components include servers, databases, storage systems, virtualization software, and network infrastructure. The main function of this layer is to host applications, process user requests, manage data, and ensure system reliability and performance. Example, AWS EC2 instances running business applications, or Amazon S3 buckets storing user files. Analogy, the backend functions like the kitchen and storage area of a hotel, where all essential operations occur behind the scenes to ensure smooth service delivery to guests. Middleware layer. The middleware layer acts as the bridge between the front-end and back-end layers, ensuring that all components of the cloud architecture work together seamlessly. It is a layer of software that facilitates communication, data exchange, and process coordination between different systems and applications. Function. The middleware manages key operations such as data transfer, request handling, authentication, API calls, and security enforcement. It ensures that user requests from the front end are properly routed to the correct back-end services, and that responses are delivered efficiently. Middleware also plays a crucial role in system integration, allowing multiple applications or services to communicate even if they use different technologies. Example, common middleware components include API gateways, which manage API requests, message queues, which handle asynchronous communication between services, and Enterprise Service Bus, ESB, which integrates various enterprise applications. Analogy, the middleware layer can be compared to the waiters in a hotel, who take orders from guests, front end, and deliver them to the kitchen back end. They ensure smooth coordination between both sides so that the guests receive exactly what they requested efficiently and accurately. Components of cloud architecture. Cloud architecture is made up of several essential components that work together to deliver reliable, scalable, and efficient cloud services. Each component plays a specific role in ensuring seamless performance, security, and accessibility of resources. 1. Hardware. This includes the physical infrastructure such as servers, storage devices, and networking equipment. These form the foundation of the cloud, hosting virtual machines, applications, and databases that users access remotely. 2. Virtualization. Virtualization allows the creation of multiple virtual environments on a single physical machine. It enables better resource utilization by allowing multiple users or applications to share the same hardware while remaining isolated from each other. Examples include VMware, Hyper-V, and KVM. 3. Storage systems. Cloud storage systems provide distributed, scalable, and redundant storage for files, data, and applications. These systems ensure that data is accessible anytime and anywhere. Examples include Amazon S3, Google Cloud Storage, and Azure Blob Storage. 4. Network. The network component ensures secure and high-speed communication between cloud servers, data centers, and end users. It manages routing, load balancing, and data transfer through reliable internet connectivity. 5. Software applications. This includes the programs and platforms that provide cloud-based services like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. These software layers handle resource management, user interfaces, and service delivery to customers. 6. Security. Security is a vital component that includes firewalls, encryption, identity management, and authentication systems. It protects cloud infrastructure and user data from unauthorized access, cyber threats, and breaches. Please have a look at the diagram. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.